four kinds of euthanasia. Active euthanasia is one where some lethal dosage of a particular drug is given to the patient to take away the life of the patient. Passive euthanasia is a kind of euthanasia where the basic life support is taken away from the patient, or it's not even given to that particular patient, and doctors or the physician could take away his life. It could be easily taken away. The third kind is voluntary euthanasia. It's the kind of euthanasia where the person or the patient, he himself by his own free will choose or requests for euthanasia. The involuntary euthanasia is the euthanasia where someone, like on the patient's behalf, requests for the euthanasia. So basically, it's not yet been legalized throughout the world yet, but we have certain countries which has some rules that supports euthanasia in some or other manner. So I would like to just list out the names of the countries. It's like Netherlands, Switzerland, Belgium, Japan, and some places in US. So basically in Netherlands, like it's not been completely legalized yet, but if the doctor or the physicians follow certain particular guidelines, certain legal guidelines, no case will be filed against that particular physician. And similarly in India, the passive euthanasia was legalized in the year 2011, and it all happened because of a case where a lady who was suffering in vegetative state for around 42 years got raped brutally. So details about the incidents and the persons who were related to euthanasia will be given by Vijay after me.
Thank you. I would like to highlight